Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Take a ride in the 2020 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, power windows with safety reverse, bed liner, alloy wheels, remote engine start, running boards, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, navigation system, voice-activated navigation system, backup camera, rear view camera, leather trim seats, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touchscreen display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.